Hello dear SSC aspirant. In the last video, we discussed about divisibility test for 3. Hope it was helpful. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about divisibility test for 9, which is similar to the divisibility test for 3. Okay. Now let me explain the divisibility test for 9 with this small example. Let's take this number again. If you take this number, since it's a 5-digit number, it is difficult for me to divide by 9 and check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. So I'm going to use the shortcut. What is the shortcut? Similar to 3. Here also what? You need to add all the digits of the given number. It is going to be 7 plus 3, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 9, 24. 24 plus 3, it is going to be what? 27. Sum of the digit is 27. This 27 is what? Divisible by 9. You can divide 27 by 9. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 9. Now let's take this example. It's having huge digits. So how do you check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not? What you have to do? Same logic you apply. So what is that you have to do? You have to add all the digits of the given number. It is going to be 7, 16, and then 24, 27, 28, 34, 39, 43. It is going to be what? 45. 45 is what? Divisible by 9. Therefore, this entire number is what? Divisible by 9. The sum of the digit is divisible by 9. The given number is also what? Divisible by 9. In this case, you can apply the other concept also here. Instead of adding all the numbers, if you feel that adding numbers is again difficult for you, there is another way also you can answer this, whether the number is divisible by 9. You just remove the number which are what? 9. The sum is also 9. If sum of the numbers 9, single digit is 9. Okay, or you can add two numbers. If it comes 9, you can remove them. For example, this 9, I can leave it. I can remove it. 9, 9, we are going to leave. Okay. So this 9, I can leave it. 4 plus 5, 9, I can leave it. Then this 8 plus 1, 9, I can leave it. Then 6 plus 3, 9, I can leave it. And then what? The 6, 1, 2, 9, I can leave it. So I'm able to cross out all the numbers which are what? 9, 9. Now, since I'm able to cross all the numbers, there is no number left. So it is what? Divisible by 9. Suppose if I include one more number here, but this one more number which is, it will not have what? Any pair. So since this 5 is left means, any number is left means, by crossing like this, any number is left, then the number is not going to be divisible by 9. So earlier when we added, we got 45. So when you have this number, one more digit added means it is going to become what? 50. Definitely 50 is not divisible by 9. If we add sum of the digit, then also it is not going to be divisible by 9. If we just cross out 9 numbers, then also what? 5 is left out here, therefore it is not divisible by 9. So this is how we have to check whether the given number is divisible by 9 or not. Now let's take some of the PYQ from SSC. We'll solve them. So if let's take this question, first question. If a 4-digit number x58y is exactly divisible by 9. So this number is what? Divisible by 9. Then the least value of x plus y is, what is the least value? Going to be x plus y. That's what we wanted to find. It's very simple. I'm going to apply what? Again, the 9 divisibility test. Sum of the digits, if you add the number, it is going to be what? 5 plus 8, it is 13. 13 plus what? X plus y. So it should be what? The answer should be multiple of 9. So 13 we have. If we take, now let's go with the options. If we take 4, 30, in the place of x plus y, if you take 4, it is going to be what? 17. Definitely 17 is not divisible by 9. Now let's take in the place of x plus y, it is going to be 5. 13 plus 5 is going to be what? 18. 18 is what? Divisible by 9. Okay. Now if you substitute the other options, 13 plus 3, 16 is not divisible by 9. 13 plus 2, it is 15, it is not divisible by 9. Therefore, the least value, what is the possible value here? 5 is the possible value. Therefore, option for this question is B, answer is 5. So least value for x plus y is 5. Okay. Let's learn one more question. So this question, let's answer. The greatest number which may replace star in the number this to make the number is divisible by 9. In order to make this number divisible by 9, what is going to come in the place of star? Again, 9 divisibility test we are going to apply. What is that you have to do? You have to add all the numbers. So it is going to be 15, 16, 17. We have 17 plus star. The answer should be what? Multiple of 9. Suppose if in the place of star, if you write 1, it is going to become what? 18. 18 is of course divisible by 9. They are asking greatest number. Whatever. Now we have to answer from here only. Now if you substitute in the place of star 9, what is going to come? So it is going to be what? 26. Definitely 26 is not divisible by 9. Suppose this is not the answer. If you substitute 3, you'll be getting 20. 20 is not divisible by 9. If you substitute 0, no, 17 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, among the option which is suitable, 1. So in the place of star, if you take 1, you'll be getting what? 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, the answer for this question is 1. Option is A. Okay. So, after understanding the divisibility test format, I have one question for you to answer. Kindly go through the question, give your answer as comment below the video. Thank you.